The stadium people them, mean the people who run the national stadium, they drop certain little, let's just say, rules. This can't go on if that no happen. When Popcaan and Theme crew reach, them no want abide by what the man them a say. When the man them a try to talk to Popcaan, him not take no chat. No found the quote unquote fans are the problem thing. Cause we want to gas up them DJ, you know. I want to know say me not check for Scatterborrell. But I'm telling you in this instance, a Popcaan make things not run as smooth as how it run smooth. And back in the day, JJ knock his boss up back in a Popcaan head, you know. Popcaan is a beating stick. Immigrant guy. Visit Ironman. Drink your coconut and your red stripe. Eat your jerk chicken. I have no problem with you immigrants. As long as you don't know the place.
What is wrong with humanity? Who not kill but out and not sell them so for vanity?
What is wrong with humanity? 2025, we don't help me send a song your road. The adults say kids are good and the bad them if you hear it. So do the right thing and reshare it.
Young and old, pick up things but they better can't manage it. The beautiful country, them are damaging. God bless Jamaica.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line, let's big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV, and we're the man of peace. We set the violence off the streets. The 4th of January, give thanks to life. 4 days into the year already, you see me? Yeah, man, big up everybody on the platform or check in. You know, we say love and, you know what I mean, prosperity and respect, manners. Think before you talk, think twice before you make that choice. You know, my philosophy them there, you see me? Yes, man, big up everybody on the platform. And if you decide to subscribe, please do so at your own will. But you don't know, your support is highly appreciated. Thank you all for your continuous support. You know, over here, so we keep it real on the battlefield. You see me? And in this time, this vlog, I'm going to speak about, I'm going to cipher down, dissect Serpy when I be like a scavenger now, you know? You see me? And react to what Serpy is saying as he speaks and what took place at Freedom Street. Big up Vibes Cartel. It was a good look, but Popcaan behavior dampened the whole thing, you know? Yeah, man, and he also addressed Nuffy as well, you see me? Yeah, I love alone in our unity, you know, you see me? You know, we don't try to act like we're better than nobody or bring down nobody with us. I speak your opinion on matters because I'm the man of peace and I love me saying we can do things in a better way instead of being vulgar and act like so we illiterate and them things there and make money get ahead of us. You see me? So no long chatting. We're going to get into the vlog right now. But we're going to please go check out that song, yeah? What is wrong with humanity? And listen to the song keenly, please. And thanks. And then decide if you want to share it or make somebody else hear it or not. But just go check out the song. And let me know what you think in the comment section. See? Yeah, man.
What is wrong with humanity? Who not kill but out and not sell them so for vanity?
What is wrong with humanity? 2025, we don't help me send a song your road. The adults say kids are good and the bad them if you hear it. So do the right thing and reshare it.
Young and old, pick up things but they better can't manage it. The beautiful country, them are damaging. God bless Jamaica.
Hold up this and hold up that and through them want to fight against Popcaan. Me run the checks. Me ask the questions from people who know what go on. Me not talk about no blogger boy story. Me tell about people who know what go on.
Alright, so here Serpy I say I'm doing homework and groundwork and find out what really went down and what caused that little disruption, you know?
And really the stadium people them did have issues with Popcaan. The stadium people them, mean the people who run the national stadium, they drop certain little, let's just say, rules. This can't go on if that not happen.
And that is the note where Scatter displayed on his page where stadium, the people in the stadium, the rules and regulation. No search, no entry. If you have your legal firearm, you have left it at the designated area Until you leave, you come and pick it up back. No weapons are allowed. No search, no entry.
When Popcaan and Theme crew reach, them no want abide by what the man them a say.
Rules were made to abide to. We all have a conscience. We know right from wrong, good and bad. And sometimes we can't make illiteracy bring with them or the hype and the ego. Popcaan, if you are listening to this as a brother to brother, artist to artist, I'm a fan of you. I love your music, them. You see me, but you should just take your search and know, say, yo, if you have no legal thing, your bodyguard, make them leave them thing at the gate and when you get it back when you forward back. Nobody now do nothing. You see me? And you are a businessman yourself, Popcaan. You are a promoter yourself, Popcaan. So, come on, man.
Man start make down sound people them know say, yo, we done telling our thing already now. I wanna agree to your thing, so where you dep on?
So what I get from this Syrupy I say is like Scatter did a try if you tell them to go easy upon them and let them in. But the stadium people are wall out and I say, yo, we done have an agreement already. No search, no entry on any weapon. And if there's any legal weapon, such as firearm or so, need to be left at the designated area and picked up back when you're leaving the premises. Yes, and that me get from the local part where Syrupy I say.
Me no know who the thing Scatterburrell is, you know. Me no know why the thing Scatterburrell is this almighty, all-powerful small we can bring down this and stop this guy. And the stadium people them, I make down sound know say, yo, we telling us that can't work, say it can't work. That was the hold up.
So it seems like Scatter did a try to make Papi them come in. You know, because why would they stop them and them a part of the thing? You see me? But the stadium people, them are all out, who responds for the stadium, the compound. And them are all out, you know. You see me? But Popcaan and Chronicler, them could feel like say, Joe them and shatter them. You see me? Because for them show. No. And the people them who own the stadium, my viewers and subscribers. You know, I get it. We on the outside don't know what going on, you know. But here we see what going on, you know. And plus the notice where Scatter show the proof where the stadium rules and regulation.
When the man them a try to talk to Popcaan, him not take no chat. Plus, the two man them wasn't exactly best friends to begin with anyway.
That now have nothing to do with me, but maybe this event, Freedom Street, would have been a perfect time for them to build back them band and them differences because we see guys, cartel come around and reunite everybody who never used to talk, you see me?
But Popcaan's Napoleon syndrome has to be studied. Me don't know why Popcaan like behave like this.
You know, you're the man thing name, unruly. So I have to live up to the standard.
Remember, say Popcaan is a victim in a real life, you know. That's why when I drop certain videos I make when I say, yo, when I say, I reach Popcaan. I talk about Popcaan like what he is, a victim. Popcaan is not that guy. He's not built like that.
And the Popcaan alone, enough man we say simple and humble and money does change them. Change them persona, you know? Yeah man, money.
Back in the day, JJ knock his boss up back in the Popcaan head, you know. J bad, I'm telling you too bad. And when they kill people, you're too glad. JJ knock his boss up back in the Popcaan head. Cause I'm out, you know.
Jaja. How Syrupy know them thing, yeah?
And them time they will say, yo, that can't work. Remember to the youth. Can't work. Them time that we used to feel sorry for Popcaan. Popcaan is a beating stick.
How Syrupy I make it sound like him used to they run the man them, so. Well, I don't know, you know, and I don't want to know. But Syrupy I said them time that when Popcaan get violate, him used to say, them used to say that can't go on, that can't go on. That's all like it they're on the surrounding. Are we used to sorry for him? Viewers and subscribers, what do you think? Boy, I mean, the way that we Syrupy is a ghost.
When you see Popcaan, but any boy can't be some rule, you're not dead. Popcaan is a beating stick. The boy is a victim. This is why I've done many videos. I tell you about Popcaan. When owner boss try to do him, Popcaan gone on a small island. Small island, you know. Have man treat him like Pitney over there.
How Syrupy know so much about the man them from way back then and them time, the man. You look at Syrupy, you see them run them, you know. Alright, you might get some solid intel. Me don't know.
Popcaan has never been unruly with other unruly people in his life. He's a victim. We've always felt pity for the youth. Can't tell about Popcaan, see if we can tell about them with their beaten stick.
Listen to the words. We've always felt sorry for the youth. Me can tell about him. See if we can tell about him. We've always felt sorry for the youth. When I say we've, that means that you've been there in the in the presence, you know? Jaja.
Look at Andre. No found quote unquote fans are the problem to you know. Cause you gas up them DJ, you know. You gas up DJ. And you feed into their hubris. I now go end well.
Hold on, man. Take a look at your screen. This is what somebody commented. I want to pull out them. I don't overs why us Jamaicans are up in our feelings, but it's your mother thing. It is in every song all day. Every day we are saying it. We are online telling each other about it's your mother. Now people are about Popcaan saying it's your mother. Us Jamaicans are a set of confused people. Saying it online is a different thing. It's bad same way. You see me? Rest in peace, Naya. That's one of the reasons why Naya got me feel like Naya got unalive, because if you tell the man about his mother, his dead mother. You see me? And also saying it in person, in front of somebody's face, you might get thumped in the face. So for Popcaan to go on stage, big public platform where everybody I watch, in the audience and online, and to say that as a top celebrity, we have so much fans like myself here. In the wrong, and at this society, I say the fans them, some of the fans them gas up the artists them can do things and get away with it because them have tune. You see me? Truth are truth and facts are facts. Come on, man. You see it?
I don't know a seminar check for Scatterborrell. But I'm telling you, in this instance, a Popcaan make things they run as smooth as how it run smooth. And then he went on stage and played victim like the role of fight against him. And everybody tried to stop him.
Me not lie, me and my wife sit up and watch the show from start to the end, and we enjoy the show. And when Popcaan come and said that, all vibes, my vibes broke, and I say, I know me are the man of peace, and that is not my character, so me did feel away, you see me? Yeah, man. So you can imagine other people who are watching, viewers, and in the stadium, because not everybody agree with Popcaan behavior. Come on, don't be a hypocrite.
Guy, use your brain. I know it's hard, you know, sheep and all that, but use your brain. No man now spending much money on a stage show. For then go then stop one DJ who perform on the stage show. When them could have stopped that DJ in the first place since they were the promoters. Them thought they were Popcaan and make Popcaan, but them thought it because he knows he's in a public space and he's surrounded by people and man can rush in and block and stop this and that. Those scenes put a damp up on the show.
Yes, man, no joke. That did put a damp up on the show, because if me feel so in myself and my wife feel away, you know, you can imagine other people, we are all flesh and blood. And the next thing, if Scatter never want Popcaan on the show from day one, as we say, he would tell Cartel him, say, yo, when the man can't dip on the show, you know. But no, Cartel, Javinci, the whole of them reunite and link up back and was part of the thing to celebrate with the Gaza boss. And Popcaan do something like that, you know. I'm sure they just hold it, man.
The whole world I watch and these Irish accents, I tell you what's up them woman and all can. Man, I hope scuffle broke out on us and people run up and down and backstage all kind of things are going. Low frequency, low vibration, low IQ. All them people have money, you know. And you see there's no difference. Them still have the war and strive, see me. Money can't help.
They're just saying, when them saying that the Garrison a lot, you can take yourself out of the Garrison, but the Garrison can't come out of you. All this we Nuffy do. My brother, you know, but Nuffy this never call for. You see me? And I say you alone yet teacher, you know. Enough people would never want teacher for free now come on road. Excluding me. You see me I say, but you never call for still, you see it? You don't know big up the whole Palmer. Food man.
Can you imagine how much foreigner, how much Billy Joe and Gwyneth Duppy bat in the stadium? And I say, what does he mean, Sir P? Who is this Sir P? No, they go on Google. No, they gonna watch 1 3 video. No, they gonna watch 1 10. It has to be studied.
So as Sir P is saying, such a big event where a lot of people viewers, streamers from all over Africa, Europe. You see me I say, hey Jack, I know Cartel fan base no normal. Zane, and you come and I say Sir P, you know, people are going who never know about Sir P are gonna know now, they're gonna do them research and start watch 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 video and see all of the bad stuff from Sir P I say about Cartel. You see me? And that's what Sir P say, you know, like, nothing gonna dig up a can of worm, you see it?
Immigrant guy. Visit Ireland. Drink your coconut and your red stripe. Eat your jerk chicken. I have no problem with you immigrants. long as you don't know the place. Long as you remember say you're a guest. Cause me can't go your country go run nothing on the talk there. So when you go mine, you can't run nothing on the chat then either. So it work. Big up on yourself still.
Viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, lion and lioness, that's the end of the show. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. You don't have to agree with me, but yeah, but let me know your feedback when we can have a conversation in the comment section. Saying, yes man, big up Nuffy, big up Vibes Cartel, big up Popcaan, and you don't know, big up Serpy. Although I don't know you. But anyway, if you want to listen to the vlog from Serpy, just go over and page. Yeah man, I do scavenger after a little 5-minute piece here, you know? Yeah man, you don't know me, the scavenger. Big up the Vulture Squad. Yo, big up everybody, man. Love and peace and unity and strength. Saying, and man of peace and be safe, stay good, and help someone if you can. Bless it.